Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're going to start up our little Dakota pickup here. It's a pretty cool truck. Got some loud exhaust. Got a kick butt stereo system in it here. That's good sound in stereo. Blinker. Horn. Turn. Fan works. Wiper works. Just manual windows and locks. Runs good, only has 46,000 miles on it, so good little running V6. Just got some loud exhaust on it. There's your custom taillights. So, neat little truck, just got it in. Now we do a little check over on it, but I'll have videos of walk around on it and driving it. Any questions? 605-695-7391.